Welcome to the world of Vedic mathematics. Let us learn maths an easy way. Vedic mathematics, step by step. Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques or sutras to solve the mathematical arithmetics in an easy and a faster way. It consists of 16 sutras, also called as formulas, and 13 subsutras or subformulas, which can be used for the problem involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, conics, etc. Now, coming to the use, why should we go for Vedic mathematics? It increases concentration, it reduces burden. We need to learn tables up to 9 only. It helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. It reduces our scratch work in mathematics. It helps reducing our silly mistakes. It also reduces finger counting in mathematics. Let us study basics of Vedic mathematics. Chapter 1, Ekadika, meaning one more. To find the Ekadika of a number, we need to add 1 to it. For example, Ekadika of 0 is 0 plus 1, i.e. 1. Ekadika of 9 is 10. Ekadika of 49 is 50. And Ekadika of 365 is 366. Ekadika of 33 is 34. Ekayone, meaning one less. To find Ekayone of a number, we need to subtract 1 from the number. So, Ekayone of 5 is 4. Ekayone of 15 is 14. Ekayone of 89 is 88. Ekayone of 109 is 108. And for 258, it is 257. Purak mean complement. To find a complement of a number, we need to subtract the rightmost digit by 10 and remaining by 9. So, the complement of 3 is 10 minus 3, that is 7. To find a complement of two-digit number, for example, 39. So, subtracting 9 from 10 and 3 from 9, the complement becomes 61. Now, complement of 80. Here, we have 0 at the rightmost position. So, the 0 will remain constant and will subtract the next digit from 10. So, the complement of 80 is 20. Similarly, to find a complement of two-digit number 86, now here the leftmost digit is more than 5. So we add a 0 in a right position and the complement becomes 914. We'll study this in details in the further sections. Another important topic, Rekhank. Rekhank is a number where a digit has bar on its top. They are also called as negative numbers. Now, a number 7 with a bar on it is equal to 3. And a number 3 with a bar on it is equal to 7. We treat Purank. You might be remembering, we find complement, that is Purak. They are also known as Rekhank. Another topic, Bijank, meaning sum of digits of a number. It is also called as Navashesh or digital root. Digital root is an important topic which will be required to find out or to verify the solutions in Vedic mathematics. So, a two-digit number 27 has a digital root of 9. How? We add the both digits. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. In case of 348, it is 3 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 15 is equal to 6. Now consider a bigger number 43196. Now here we can add each digit, or we can also directly ignore 9 because 9 need not to be added. So we need to add 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to, now 6 plus 3 makes 9, another 9. So we can directly add 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. The important topic again, Vincular numbers. Now Vincular means a number which has both positive as well as negative digits. A number 2, 4, 8, 10, they all are normal numbers. Similarly, like 65,234, it is a normal number. 43, it is again a normal number. But a number where one digit has a bar, it is a vincular numbers. For example, 64 with bar on 4, it is a vincular number. Or a number 21 with 1 having a bar is a vincular number. We'll understand the place values or the value of these normal and vincular numbers. Now a number 56, we have done it many times in our arithmetics. 56 can be written as 5 into 10 because 5 is at a tens position and 6 at unit place. So the value is also 56. Now considering an example 57 with a bar on 7. Similarly, now 5 represent into 10 minus 7. Why it is minus? Because we have already learned these vincular numbers or these bar are negative numbers. So the value becomes 50 minus 7 is equal to 43. Another example, 123 with a bar on 2, that becomes, the value becomes 100 minus 20 plus 3 is equal to 83. Another example, 3213 having a bar on 2, that means 33 into 1000 minus 2 into 100 plus 10 plus 3 is equal to 2813. Coming to the exercises, let us start finding complement of a number. We just studied that we subtract the rightmost non-zero number from 10 and others number from 9. Now for example, a given number is 4. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So the complement becomes 6. Another example, a number is 2 digit 37. So 10 minus 7 and 9 minus 3, right? So we get the solution 63. Another example, 60. Now here 0 is constant. So we'll take the second number to the rightmost number and subtract it from 10. So we get a solution 40. Let us try with a 3-digit number 323. So the rightmost digit is 3. We subtract it from 10. The middle number 2 from 9 and the leftmost digit from 9. So the answer becomes 677. Let us take an example with 4 digits 3567. So subtracting 7 from 10, 6 from 9, 5 from 9 and 3 from 9. So we get 6433. We just learned normal numbers and vinculum numbers. Now we will try to convert these normal numbers to vinculum numbers. To do this, we have to remember two important things. One is, if unit place is greater than 5, subtract 10 from it and use bar. Now if it is less than 5, let it remain same. Second, if immediate left number is less than 5, add 1 to it, else subtract 9 from it. We need to continue this process until we reach the leftmost digit. Let us take an example. Let the number be 27. Now the unit place digit is 7. No, it is greater than 5. So we subtract 10 from it and use bar. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3, which can also be written as 3 with a bar. Now, second step, the digit on the immediate left, it is less than 5. So we need to add 1 to it. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So the answer is 33 with bar on a rightmost 3. To verify it, we can use place values. 3 into 10 minus 3 into 1, that is equal to the number 27. We can also verify the same using digital root. Let us take another example, a 3-digit number 271. Now at unit place the digit is 1. It is less than 5. So let it remain the same. The digit immediate left to it is greater than 5. So subtract 10 from it and use bar. Again, 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3, that is equal to 3 with a bar. The second digit immediate second left is less than 5. So we add 1 to it. So it becomes 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So our answer is 331 with a bar on a middle 3. Let us verify it. As per place value, 3 into 100 minus 3 into 10 plus 1. That gives us 271, which was our original number. Another example, 4, 6, 5, 6. Now, the unit place, we have 6, which is greater than 5. So we subtract it from 10 from the same. 6 minus 10 is equal to minus 4 or 4 with a bar. Immediate left is 5. So 5 minus 9 is equal to another minus 4 or a bar. Third digit, we subtract again 9 from it. So it becomes minus 3 or a bar. Fourth digit is less than 5. So we simply add 1 to it. So our answer becomes 5, 3 with a bar, 4 with a bar and 4 with a bar. Again, to verify, 5 into 1000 minus 3 into 100 minus 4 into 10 minus 4. So it becomes 5000 minus 344 is equal to 4656. Let us consider an example where leftmost digit is greater than 5. For example, 911. Now, since 9 is greater than 5, we add a 0 to left of 9. Now, the value doesn't change, but it is required for further calculations. Now, unit place is 1, so it remains same. Second, tens place, it is also 1, lesser than 5. So it remains same. 9 is greater than 5. So 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. And last 0, it is less than 5. So 1 is directly added. So the answer becomes 1111 with a bar on 100 position. If we want to verify it, we can using place value method or digital root method as we have learnt earlier. Now let us come to the exercise to convert vincular number to normal numbers. We can do this by using two methods. One is using place value. So taking an example of 63 with a bar on 3. So 6 multiplied by 10 minus 3 multiplied by 1. It gives us 57. So for a vincular number 63 with having a bar on 3, the normal number is 57. Similarly, let us take an example, a vincular number 3316 with bars on 3, 1 and 6. So it becomes 3 into 1000 minus 3 into 100. We are using minus because it is a negative number. Minus 1 into 10 because again it is negative number, and minus 6 is equal to, the answer comes out to be 2684. Taking a bigger example, 41124. Now here 1 and 2 are negative numbers or having a bar. So 4 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1000 minus 100 because this one was having a bar, minus 2 into 10, again this 2 was having a bar, plus 4. So simplifying, it becomes 41004 minus 120, which gives us 40884. So for a vincular number 41124 having bar on 1 and 2, the normal number is 40884. We have another method to find or to convert this vincular numbers to the normal. It is just the reverse of it. Now we have to remember, if a unit place is having bar, we add 10 to it, else let it remain the same. Second, if immediate left is having bar, add 9 to it. You remember we were subtracting 10 and 9 earlier. Now we are adding. And if it is not having bar, then we subtract 1 from it. Third, after subtracting 1 from the normal digit, add 10 to the previous first bar digit. And we need to continue until we reach the leftmost digit. Let us take an example. So the example is same, 63 with a bar on 3. So unit place is 3. So let's add 10 to it. So 3 bar plus 10, that means minus 3 plus 10. So that becomes 7. Now second place, this is 6. So we need to subtract 1 from it because it is not having a bar. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So the answer becomes 57. Now let us verify this. It can be verified using the place values, but now let us verify using digital root or Bejank. So it is generally denoted by B. So B63 is equal to B6 plus minus 3 because 3 is a negative number. So the answer is 3. And if we take B or digital root of 57, it is again 12. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Hence, it is correct. Example number 2. 3316 with bars on 3, 1 and 6. Now unit place is 6 having a bar. So add 10 to it. So 10 is added to minus 6. It gives us 4. Now second place, it is again minus 1. So 9 is added to it. It gives us 8. Third place, it is again with a bar. So again add 9 to it. We get 6. Fourth place, it is not a negative number. It is a positive number 3. So we need to we need to subtract 1 from it. So 3 minus 1, it gives us 2. So the answer is 2684. It can be again verified using place value or a digital root method. Let us take third example. The number is 41124 with the bar on 1 and 2. So unit place is equal to 4. Since it is less than 5, let it remain same. Second place, it is 2 with bar on it. So we add 10 to it. So 10 plus minus 2 is equal to 8. At third place, we have 1 bar. Now we add 9 to it. So the answer gives us 9 plus 1, that is negative 1. So it gives us 8. At fourth place, we have 1. So remember, now it is a positive number. So we subtract 1 from it. So 1 minus 1 gives us 0. Fifth place. Now at fifth place, we have 4. So since 4 is less than 5, so let it remain same. So the answer becomes 40884. So friends, we have covered the basics of Vedic maths. Our first topic was Ekadika, means one more. Second, Ekayone, meaning one less. Then Purak, means complement. Fourth was Rekhank, means a digit having bar on its top. Fifth was Bijank, or a digital root. Then we covered Vinkulam, a number which has both negative and positive digits. We have also learned the conversion of normal numbers to Vinkulam numbers and